Next topic that we are going to cover is explore differences between var and let keyword. One of the biggest problems with declaring variables with var keyword is that you can easily overwrite variable declarations. For example, var camper is equal to James, var camper is equal to David. So camper will remove the name James and store the name David, and then console.log camper. In the code above, camper variable is originally declared as James, then overridden by David. The console then displays the string David. In a small application, you might not run into this type of problem. But as your code base becomes larger, you might accidentally overwrite a variable that you did not intend it to. Because of this behavior does not throw any error, searching for fixing bugs becomes more difficult. A keyword called let was introduced in ES6, a major update to JavaScript to solve this potential issue with var keyword. You will learn more about ES6 and other features in later challenges. If you replace var with let in the code above, it results in an error. The error can be seen in your browser console. So unlike var, you use let, a variable name with same name can only be declared once. That is the most important and crucial part from this section, that var can be used to overwrite variables while let can't be used to overwrite variables. You can only declare it once. Let me just show you it in practice. If I say let versus const, we will declare a same variable with the name var name new, then new, like this. You can see it's already declared, right? So let me just do it this thing to show you how this all works. I will say name new, and then I will say console. First, comma name new, second, comma name new. Now I will say, you can see first it was Cody, then second it changed to hers. But now let me change this var to let, and you will see the magic happen that will throw an error. You can directly see it from here only, that you cannot redeclare a variable with same name. But let's, for the clarity's sake, run it, and you will see syntax error. Identified name new has already been declared. So this is to preserve the variable naming. I hope that's pretty clear. Anyways, let's now move to the next topic. The next topic is declare a read-only variable with a const keyword. The keyword let is not only the new way to declare variables. In ES6, you can also declare variable using const keyword. Const has all the awesome features that let has, with added bonus that variable declared using const are read-only. They are constant value, which means that once a variable is signed with const, it cannot be reassigned. For example, const fabpet is equal to cats, fabpet is equal to dog. The console will display an error due to reassigning the value of fabpet. You should always name the variable you do not want to reassign using the const keyword. This helps when you accidentally attempt to reassign a variable that is meant to stay constant. Note: it is common for developers to use uppercase variables identifiers for immutable values and lowercase camel case for mutable values, objects and arrays. You will learn more about these object arrays and immutable values in later challenges. Also, in later challenges, you will see examples of uppercase, lowercase, or camel case variable identifiers. Knowing these things, let's try to replicate the same in our console. I will just use declaring constant variable. Now, following the naming convention, I will say const my pi underscore value. We all know that pi value is a constant, so I'm using this. I will say 3 point. Let me check what is the pi value. Okay. Now, if I try to change this pi value again to say something like only to 2-digit of decimal precision, then you can see that when I do console.log, then I pass in this pi value just by copying it, just go like this. And it says assignment to a constant variable at object anonymous. Can't be done. That's okay. So we are good to go with this knowledge. So that marks the end of our chapter, and I hope that you learned a lot. If not, please go and rewatch all the sections again. If I went too fast, Let me know in the comments, and if you found something useful, do share it with others. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video. Thanks.